welcome to our channel. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are headed to Waco, Texas.
Hey, I'm Mark.
I'm Carrie.
I'm yelling.
As usual.
Hey, I'm Mark.
I'm Carrie. Welcome to our channel, The Art of Rving.
Where are we headed?
Waco, Texas.
Yep. And
Sick 'em bears.
yeah, you know it. And we are arriving right now. Okay, we made it. That was a quick trip.
Yeah, we're here.
Here we go.
Stay tuned.
We should do the thumbnail in Waco.
Okay, then don't forget.
Yeah. Okay, I won't. Man, what's up now?
We are headed into town to Magnolia.
Yep.
Maybe we'll get to see Chip and Joanna. So come with us to the silo.
But you know what we are? Happy campers! Get off.
I'll talk. So we're getting ready to go to the silo.
Going to the silos.
Maddie, our daughter. This is Mark's idea of parking close.
Oh, come on.
We can't even see the silo. There's all parking spots all over.
No. Boring.
Have some coffee.
Are you not talking?
You were talking.
Okay.
How are you? We're Tom and Mona, and we're with Airstream Market. We love what we do here at the farmers market.
Look what they've done here. Let me tell you a little story, and my name is Gus. Let me tell you a little story, and my name is Gus. I'm a crabby little camper, and I like to cuss. Okay, guys, so you know we're huge Elvis fans, as you can tell. This is a house in Waco. Apparently it was owned by DJ Fadal, a local DJ here in town, and it was Elvis's really, really good friend. And he would come here and have home-cooked meals, and they would hang out a lot. And so it's known as the Elvis house, hence the Elvis on the front door there. I said a blue suede shoes. Oh! This was Elvis's room right here. I'm not worthy. I'm not worthy. I said a blue suede shoes. Oh! We should do the thumbnail in Waco.
Okay, don't forget.
Okay, I won't. Get off.
I'll talk. What are you talking about?
Do it. And look, we made a new friend. Yep, ring a dingy.
Yeah, ring-a-dingy-ding.